Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making sausage and shrimp rice. So first I started off by cutting the sausage up, and then I'm going to be cutting the onions and green peppers up. So once I was done with that, I went ahead and put the sausage in the pan. Now I'm just going to be adding seasonings. Now I'm just going to mix it up, and then I'm going to be adding the onions and green peppers. Once I let the onions and green peppers cook a while, I just went ahead and added the water and some tomato sauce. Now it's time to put the rice in. Then I'm going to put the top on, turn it down low, and let it cook. Okay, so I let it cook for a while, and then I went ahead and added some cayenne pepper. So while that's cooking, I went ahead and started making the shrimp. I added some cayenne pepper in the shrimp also. Once the rice was done, I went ahead and added the shrimp inside. I'm going to mix it up and show you how it looks. Then I'll be making my plate.